To manage and control field workers, like guards, you can use specialized devices or use the mGuard application, an application dedicated to the management and control of field workers and guards. The app makes it possible to register the presence of a person at a given point at a given time. The check is carried out by registering an NFC tag or a QR code. The application also allows the user to report an incident, contact a security operator, or register working hours. In the first block of our tutorial, we will present the mGuard app and how it manages guard patrols. Before we begin, make sure to include the mGuard driver and OCX file in this setup. It's crucial for configuring the application with your Alice system. To use the mGuard app for better security, give the guard the needed authority. Log into your Data Edit console account. Go to your account settings to check privileges. Move to the Detailed Data section to manage features. Find and select Guards to manage guard functions. Enable remote access for easy and secure connection for the guard. To finish, enter your login credentials to complete the process. At the end, save your changes with green tick buttons. Always ensure that all your guards and companies are registered in the Definitions tab first. The application mode can be basic or advanced. In basic mode, you can use the main features. Read a QR code or NFC point, based on your configuration choice. Make a call to a specific contact. Activate the panic button to trigger an alarm after a set time. The app also shows the connection status to the system and displays the current hardware number, the ID it uses to connect to the Alice system. You can also access the app menu and turn on the device's torch. In advanced mode, you can access two extra options, routes and incidents. Routes provides device-specific workarounds at the facility. Incidents lets you report alarms or information issues directly from the app, with the ability to upload a photo and description. You can also trigger a panic alert to call a predefined contact or someone at the facility. Take a photo and send it to the Alice system, or choose images from your device gallery to send. The app allows the point to be read out via NFC or QR code, depending on the previously selected from the configuration level in the application. The points that will be added and linked to the device with a description can be used when planning around in the Edit console. If you're interested in the mGuard app, check out our YouTube channel for a dedicated tutorial on its configuration. In the second block of our tutorial, we will show you how to configure the patrols in Data Edit console. Before moving on to the rounds, it is important to configure the patrols well in the Data Edit console. The tab called Patrols allows you to view a list of all walks with points that are set up on the account. Each path contains information such as path name, the length of the path, that is, the period within which all points should be recorded, whether to repeat the path or not, calendar type, that is, on which days the path is valid, frequency, that is, what period the path will be run every day, path type, the rounds can be simple or advanced. Simple rounds involve recording points in any order within a time frame. Advanced rounds require following a precise timeline, covering points at a set pace according to the schedule. Once we have created a new patrol path, it is time to apply the point check signal visible in the top right-hand corner to it one by one. Simply select the signal in question and use the left mouse button to move it to the desired location on the patrol path. In the third block of our tutorial, we will show you how to use rounds in mGuard application. After the patrols are organized, routes will appear in the mGuard app's advanced mode. Once logged in, you are able to see two options, incidents and routes. Select routes. They allow you to view the defined rounds for the devices on the selected site. It is also possible to access information on current or planned rounds, along with the points they contain and their location on the site plan. In the mGuard application, users have the option to add procedures to each point in turn during rounds. This allows them to specify, for instance, the actions a particular guard should take when reflecting on a specific point. Once a specific point has been selected, the relevant procedures will be displayed automatically. If, during the course of the patrol, the guard identifies an issue or simply wishes to report something for informational purposes, he can do so by selecting one of the available options in Incidents tab. Furthermore, the user can trigger an alarm, call the assigned person, take a photo, or choose from the photo gallery and send it for reporting by selecting the appropriate option from the upper right-hand slide list. Fantastic! That is all for now. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please discover other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel and remember to subscribe.